It's that time of year. You green thumbs are coming out. I'm at Sunshine Growers, Yucaipa Boulevard. We're up the hill just above Vaughn's. I had to get some privet. I got privet hedges and a couple of them are died over the years. They got a good price here, 15 bucks. This is Texas privet. I've got the kind that has the white flowers. I don't know if this flowers or not, but Lowe's doesn't have it. Home Depot, other people in it. It's like 35 bucks online to get some. But that's the white flowering. This is they call it Ligustrum Plus. See if I can find that. But it's a good hedge, privacy hedge, stick. The white flowers draw in the bees. So, but they got great stuff inside. It's a local. It's kind of a. There's several stores around LA. This used to be Newell's. Was this Newell's? No, this wasn't Newell's. I can't remember the old place this was. Newell's was down the road, wasn't it? Down by the 10. But there's here, and I miss Dangerman's nursery down there on Redlands Boulevard by Texas. Or I'm sorry, by Tennessee. That was my go-to store. It was local. This is a little bit longer drive for me. I'm out of Redlands, but you also have Cherry Valley Nursery. I like them. A little bit further drive, but they have good stuff, good service. They drove out here on a golf cart, took me right to it. Usually I'll walk. I like walking around, looking at stuff, but that Quonset looks new for the citrus. But I've got to get going. I got so much to do today. I'm already behind. So there's one of your nurseries to use. I'm trying to think of another nursery around here. Where's that nursery at? Over. Oh, where else is a nursery? No, Redlands doesn't have any nurseries. Huh. Well, thanks for watching. See you.